So today we're changing a clutch master cylinder with its pedal. As you see, it's quite a big unit, so I'm going to take a few items off to get to it. So I've taken the cover off underneath the steering wheel, which is held on by some T20 screws and some clips. So yeah, just taking the covers off. And right, so now I've undone the taken off the airbag here, which is held on by 3 10mm bolts. You don't really need to unplug it, you can just sit into the one side. Also taken off one of the air vents, which is held on by a T20 screw again, which allows you better access to get to the 13mm nuts holding on the clutch pedal. So now we need to come under the bonnet and disconnect the 2 pipes that go to the back of the pedal, which is this one here and this one under here. It focuses in. The top one just pulls off, the other one's held on by a little metal clip that you pull down, and then you'll be able to pull the pipe out. So remove the 2 pipes. Fluid will come out the top pipe, so just put a bung in also to stop the fluid coming out. A bit of rag just to catch any excess fluid in both the pipes, so we can now unbolt the pedal box. So finally got the old one out, which is held on by 3 13mm nuts. Also, I forgot to mention that you have to undo this metal bracket here. It's held on by a 13mm screw. There's a control box that's just covering the screw, so if you pull the control box off, you'll be able to unscrew the bracket. You don't need to take the bracket out, you just need to unscrew it so you can allow you to pull the pedal box out. And that's it. So we'll start to reassemble the new one. Right, now the clutch pedal is all back together. You need to bleed the system, so you need to remove the air filter box, disconnect it, get to the bleeder, and then we need to bleed him through here by twisting that. It might take a couple of times to bleed it, but that's it. Yeah, double check you got a good clutch pedal. Yeah, springs back up, feels good. And just double check everything, make sure everything's back on, everything's in the correct position. Yep, thank you. Please like and subscribe.